Hello everybody! Today is an unusual review. Usually I'm reviewing car models, but today is unusual review, and we are reviewing today my fiance's bike, e-bike Whirlwind. Amazing small thing. Honestly, when I bought it, I've been surprised. It's fully foldable. In the middle, battery is in front of the frame here. Battery folding here. I will not gonna fold it because there is a contact. I just don't wanna damage this contact. I will just gonna show that it's folding here. So fully foldable like that, here and here. So you're getting very compact bike for traveling. What I can say about this, here is a three functions. I need to call my dog. Poncho, Poncho, come here. Here is a computer on this bike. Here is a computer on this bike. It's showing speed limit, time, how much you're traveling, battery charge, plus functions. It's going up to 3, and here you just on 0 you can just pedal it like a usual bike, but basically I try to drive it only on 3, and boost is given absolutely amazing. Attached few lights, what is showing, plus on the front have lights switching on with a plus button. That's quite boost of light is going, but I'm not using, and she not using these lights because we have these front ones. This one is just additional because it's using battery. Bell, amazing, plus adjustable seats. I will gonna adjust for myself, and I will gonna take phone with me, gonna show you the boost and up to which speed is going. Here is a back brakes, back disc brake back, and disc brake front on cables. Quite strong brakes. Front I will not gonna use, I don't wanna fly over the seat, over the wheel. So, and the bike is working by itself like that. If you starting, you see, started working by itself until this point while you pressing brake. When you pressing brake, motor is switching off. And now I'm just gonna show you how it's rides. I will gonna take phone with me, and we will gonna see. I will gonna just show. Is it? No, it's not showing properly. I will gonna try to drive.
Careful.
I will gonna try to drive and film at the same time. So if I will gonna fall down, it's gonna be only my issue. So let's go to try it. Woo! 24 is straight away boosting up to 25 kilometers per hour. Let's go. Here I will gonna make a circle around. Like that. Quite fast. And it's given very big boost. For a small bike, It's quite powerful one. If you can hear, is given this additional boost. In almost 1 minute, I've done it quite large circle around the stadium. I will gonna go around and come back to my fiance, and you will gonna see how long is it gonna take. Quite fast. Is from 17, 19, and as you see, it's quite boosting fast. Plus it's going up to 28 kilometers per hour, and range on this bike is approximately 26 miles. So for small bike is a absolutely amazing addition to play with. Yes. All right, guys. Just a review for e-bike. Aye. So you see, in 1 minute, almost in one and a half minute, I've done it. I'm gonna put on this on a stand. Just in 1 minute, I've done it. This circle around the stadium. See, here is, I don't know how long is it will take for me to make a full circle by walk, but this thing is absolutely amazing to play with. I bought it especially for my fiance, she will go to work quickly, not by walk, so she is quite happy with that. So here you are, Whirlwind bike is absolutely amazing. And plus, yesterday I've been charging, is only 20%, and it's already 2 days. It's already 2 days we've been using this bike. So if you not using much bike, yeah, just to work there and back, it will gonna last for whole week. No, I will gonna take a phone and I will gonna show fiance, she will gonna tell her expression about it. What you think about it?
I'm very happy.
she's really happy. Look at her happy face. So here you are, and for today review is over. I've been doing at night time to show how working lights. See, quite giving strong boost of lights at night time, should be cinnamon road. So here you are. If you will gonna consider to buy it, honestly, that's an amazing thing. Plus battery, this is brand new one. Battery will gonna last forever for us. So for today I'm done, and please subscribe to our channel. Gonna be some more reviews. Have a good day, and bye bye, guys. Bye bye.